Hi, Diane. I just got a missed call from your office. I guess maybe Brad was trying to contact me.
And you are who, sir?
My name is Dwayne Brothwell.
Oh, okay, just a moment, Dwayne.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Brad from the Weld County Attorney's office. Gonna ask him some questions.
Hi, this is Brad. How can I help you?
Hey, Brad. How you doing today?
Okay.
Good. I had a couple of questions. You guys say you only operate under county jurisdiction?
No.
Okay.
Well, I guess I don't understand what the question is.
Okay.
In terms of county jurisdiction, we are a division of local government. We're a subdivision of the state of Colorado. If
Okay.
that helps your question.
Yeah, well, I'm just trying to gain a full understanding of federal, state, and county and city jurisdiction, because it's interesting that you can't answer federal legal questions. Is that correct?
Well, let me clarify my role as an attorney. I advise the county commissioners and I advise the different departments of Weld County. I cannot offer you legal advice or legal opinion.
Right.
If you have a particular question about a particular issue you're having with the county, I may be able to assist you with that, but I can't offer legal advice.
Yeah, okay, well, that's fine. I know people are scared of the legal language and they don't want to, miss a step because they're afraid. But I do have an issue with the county. I have an issue with this entire government. The issue I have is that I believe that to enter into the commerce or enter into the jurisdiction of Weld County, the state of Colorado, the United States, there has to be a contract because they are all owned by international bankers. And the problem that I have is that this key of knowledge is being hid from the people. And that's the problem I'm having. And if you know who I am, my name is Dwayne Brothwell, and I'm not the Dwayne Brothwell that you guys have on your record, because I no longer am doing business with you. Because that was created at my birth and you guys didn't educate me on that.
Okay. Well,
Which is another reason why it's a fraud, because you guys aren't telling us the full details of what we're doing through these contracts, these signatures.
Do you live in Weld County?
I used to.
Okay, well, I guess I can't. If you're living inside of Weld County and you have an issue with services, or you're being brought up on a violation or anything like that, I'm happy to try and help you. And if I can't help you, maybe I can refer you to the department that can help you. But if you're outside of Weld County, I don't know what I can do for you.
Yeah, well, I think you have an obligation to do something, because I'm there quite often.
Okay, but I don't agree with anything that you're telling me about the banks and the structure and any of that. So I can't educate anyone about any of this. One, that's not my job to educate anybody about it. Two, I don't agree with anything you're saying. I think, frankly, it comes to be one of those somewhat crazy conspiracy theories. I've dealt with a lot of people who are constitutionalists. I've dealt with a lot of people who believe in common law, grand juries, and they're freemen, and I don't agree with any of that. I think it's sort of a crackpot theory.
Yeah.
You're barking up the wrong tree when you're saying I should have educated you or the county should have educated you, because that's just not the system that we operate under. And I understand you may disagree, and we're certainly, that's the great thing about America, is we can disagree, but I think we just have to agree to disagree. I've looked at the theories, a lot of the theories, the UCC, maritime law, the fringe on the flag, excuse me, trademarking names, the theory that post-World War II, the international banks, basically we got sold out. All those things, I don't agree with any of that. I think it's complete fabrication. So, I don't think there's much I can do to help you with your concerns or your understanding of things.
Yeah.
I think maybe...
Boy, I'm sure letting you do a lot of talking, huh?
It sounds like you're looking for sort of a historical and educational aspect of it. Maybe you're better off talking to a law school or an academic regarding that. But in my day-to-day, that's just not my job to educate people about alternative legal theories.
Yeah, okay, well that's, I understand that. But, we still have the facts before us that people like George Washington, he said that this money system is a fraud. He said the fiat currency is a fraud because it does not disclose the full details of the system, and that was the very system we broke away from in England. And then also Woodrow Wilson said that every American will be a contributor to this fraud, which we will call social insurance. So you're not going to get away from dancing around and trying to avoid the topic because it's going to be there, and it's getting more and more powerful as time goes on, and even as you are uncooperative in trying to figure it out is evidence against you.
And that's fine, but Dwayne, I'm going to have to cut you off. Frank and I asked you last time if you had a specific issue regarding county services we could assist you with.
Well, that's fine, but I would like to know why you guys say that you're not responsible for the birth certificate, social security card, and social insurance card when you use them on the state identifications. The county wants to see that identification or driver's license whenever you engage an individual, and it has these federal jurisdiction documents on them. So I don't understand why you're not accountable to the federal jurisdiction, especially when you use their fiat fake counterfeited money. That's what I don't understand, and I'm trying to understand. Your job is not to help me understand?
No, it's not actually.
Not? Well, whose job is it?
I couldn't tell you that. I think we'll have to come to our own decisions regarding that. And frankly, my job is to, as I said, advise the county, represent.
Are you a slave to the legal language, Brad?
Am I a slave to legal language?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
This is my job.
Well,
so I am.
How did you become a slave to that legal language?
Well, I'm going to have to cut you off. My job is to serve the citizens of Weld County in terms of questions that I can answer, and the scope of my job to talk with you and to argue about what we agree or frankly disagree about.
Yeah.
That's taken me away from my ability to do my job. So I'm going to have to end the conversation.
Right,
I understand that you don't agree with my position.
No, actually, I'm just trying to find the truth, Brad. Simple. That's it.
Okay. Well, good luck with that, Dwayne.
All right. Thank you, Brad. Have a great day. Bye.
You too. Bye.